Oral health issues can affect your entire body. That's why it's so important to take good care of your mouth. Here are some tips on how to best do that, and to help answer some of your questions is registered dental hygienist and Crest spokesperson, Deborah Carrier. Thanks for being back, Deborah.
Thank you, Dr. Orton. I'm happy to be here.
All right, we have lots of good questions, so let's get right to it. Here's what this viewer wants to know.
My name is Veronica, and I've had diabetes for over 20 years, and I've heard that I could lose my teeth sooner than people without diabetes. Is this true? And if it is, what can I do about it?
Veronica, that is true, and you're not alone. Over 25 million people in the U.S. have diabetes, and 1 in 5 cases of total tooth loss is linked to diabetes. So, Deborah, let's talk about why this happens.
One of the reasons is periodontitis, also known as gum disease. In adults over 45 with poorly controlled diabetes, they are known to be more than twice as likely to have severe gum disease than those without diabetes.
Exactly right, Deborah. You know, periodontitis damages both the soft tissue and the bone that support your teeth, and it tends to be more severe with people with diabetes because this condition lowers the body's ability to resist infection, and it just slows healing. So to keep blood sugar levels under control, make sure you take your diabetes medications as directed, eat healthy, and exercise on a regular basis. Deborah, what else would you advise for Veronica to focus on?
So she also wants to protect her teeth and gums by brushing at least twice a day. Now, you hear this all the time, but that's because it really does make a difference. And what toothpaste you use makes a difference as well. Veronica may want to use a toothpaste that kills bacteria and is designed to fight early gum disease. And of course, floss at least once a day and visit your dentist at least every 6 months.
Great advice. Okay, moving on to our next question.
My name is Cassie, and my stepmom has type 2 diabetes. She has been struggling and wants to control her blood sugar levels. I heard that even getting her teeth cleaned can cause her levels to drop. Is that true?
That's a great question, and guess what? It's true. Although keeping your gums and mouth healthy can help control the disease, for people with type 2 diabetes, sometimes even a deep cleaning can lead to a drop in blood sugar levels. So always make sure you tell your dentist about any and all medical conditions you have. Now let's see what this mom wants to know.
My name is Charla, and our 12 and 14-year-old kids just got braces, which can be difficult to keep clean. Is it true that they're now more likely to develop plaque and will have more bacteria in their mouths?
Charla, unfortunately, that's true. Plaque is a layer of bacteria that can form on the teeth and can cause cavities and gum inflammation. Braces also move the teeth and create tiny spaces where food can get stuck. So back to you, Deborah. What can Charla do to help keep her kids' mouths healthy?
It's important that they brush after every meal and spend at least 2 minutes at each brushing. You can also ask your dentist for a special brush that's designed for braces.
All right, moving on to our last question, which involves a little romance. Take a look.
I'm Arturo, and I'm looking forward to in-person dating again. But first, I have to lose this pandemic 20 and get my smile on point so I can be ready to get that kiss at the end of the night. There's so many toothpaste out there. Are they all the same? Paste is paste, right?
Arturo, that is false. Although most toothpaste contain some of the same general components, specific ingredients can be added to provide additional benefits. So Deborah, as a dental hygienist, which toothpaste do you recommend for our viewers?
So what you put in your mouth really does matter. I like Crest Pro Health Complete Protection because it offers 24-hour plaque protection with twice daily brushing. It kills 99% of the bacteria, it reaches 100% of your mouth with proper brushing, and it fights early gum disease. And it's easy to find at Walgreens and walgreens.com.
Deborah, thanks so much for joining us today, and thanks for all the great tips.
Thank you.